Hello everyone! So now, may konti na naman akong kaalaman na i-share sa inyo. Yung 5 W's, so ito yung what, when, where, why, and who. So, bibigyan ko lang kayo ng konting kaalaman kung paano namin siya sabihin in Thai language, then tuturuan ko na kayo paano bumuo ng sentence. Para at least kahit basic, makagamit nyo pag pumunta kayo dito. So talagang pinapapunta ko kayo dito. Tara na, mag-tour na tayo. Listen carefully. Okay, let's start. Aray. Aray. In English, it means what? Aray. Next is muray. Muray. Muray means when. Muray. Okay. Then, next, tinay. Tinay. Tinay means where. Next is tamay. Tamay means why. And lastly, cry. Cry means who. So, yan yung 5W questions in English na tinranslate natin in Thai language. So, ulitin ko ha. Aray means what? Aray. Muray. Muray means when. Muray. Tinay. Tinay means where. Tinay. Tamay. Tamay means why. Tamay. Then lastly, cry. Cry. Who? Kuha? Kuha niyo ba? Okay.